You how to make a paper airplane. Please leave a like or a comment. Comment. So you're gonna have your piece of paper, any paper really, and then you're going to want to fold it in half. Like this. Then you're gonna want to open it. Then you're gonna want to fold it in here like that. Oopsie. Sorry about that. There we go. Same with the other side. Well, you're gonna want to do that. There you go. So you have this so far. I don't really see that. You have this so far. Then you're gonna want to fold it down into the crease so that meets up with it. This, if you fold it down. See, it was like this, then you fold it down. And then what you're going to do, you're going to want to fold it again. See? It's folded. Sorry, it's folded. Then you're going to want to fold it again. This. See? And you're going to want to do the same with the other side. Okay, good job. Okay, and then you're going to want to, so you have something like this, then you're going to want to fold it backwards. Okay, have something like this. Then you're going to want to make the wings now. Ones like that. Make it symmetrical. And also on the other side. How about that? Same with the other side. And voila! We are finished. That is how you make a paper airplane. See you later. Please leave a like. Blah.